your vigilant partner in ensuring the air quality in play areas and schools is as nurturing as the environment itself. In the vibrant spaces where children grow, explore, and learn, the air they breathe should be as pure as their joy. Zaire, with a decade of mastery in crafting detection equipment and testing instruments, introduces a solution that's as essential as the playground. Their commitment to delivering high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unparalleled, and their OEM customization options ensure that every educational and play setting can offer an atmosphere that's as safe as it is stimulating. The child-safe indoor CO2 meter is more than just a tool. It's a promise of a healthier, happier environment for the little ones. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it helps maintain an atmosphere where every breath fuels curiosity and laughter. Imagine a school or play area where the air is as refreshing as a child's giggle. That's the essence of child safe. And because we believe in the power of a safe and healthy environment for children, we're offering an exclusive promotion to make this essential investment even more appealing. It's our way of supporting the places where children thrive, where every breath is a step towards a brighter future. Ready to refresh the air in your child's world? For more information on our products and how we can assist you, simply add my personal email from the homepage. Let's make every breath a breath of safety